you are looking for Hickory Hills, Illinois wheel repair service, you have come to the right place. TechniCraft collision repair experts, we specialize in repairing all types of wheel damage, from bends and cracks to scrapes and gouges. Our skilled technicians use state-of-the-art equipment to restore your wheels to their original condition, ensuring they're not only aesthetically pleasing but also safe for the road. We handle alloy wheels, steel wheels, and even aluminum wheels. For those who value maintaining their vehicle's performance and appearance, TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts is your trusted solution for wheel repair. Call us today for a detailed repair estimate and get your wheels back to looking and functioning their best.